Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius, 8 sign. This is July weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Awesome. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. Messages for Aquarius, 8 sign. Messages for Aquarius, air sign. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, earth sign. Aquarius, under the deck, the strength, ace of cups, 3 of swords, 3 of pentacles. I think lots of you are in separation with your person right now. For some, even though you are in relationship right now with your person, this is on and off connection. You are heartbroken, you are feeling sad. Right now you are in sad. And ace of cups. After that, there is a transformation. For some, a new love is coming into your life. For some, you are doing self-love. You are loving yourself more than anyone else. And strength. Yes, you overcome the heartbreak. You overcome everything in your life. Now you stand by your power. Now you are very independent emotionally and financially. So let's see our reading recent past. Devil, 2 of cups and 5 of wands. Yeah, there is love between you and your person. It's mutual. But this person is toxic for you. That's why for some you are in separation with your person right now. Lot of drama is going. For some, yeah, there is love, but they are always in and out of your life. 5 of wands, lot of drama. And you are obsessed with them or they are obsessed with you. In past. Present, 4 of pentacles, knight of pentacles and 3 of cups. Lots of you are involved in third party situation. Maybe other women or other men or family or friends could be the issue here. So that's why you decided to holding back. You are not expressing your emotions. But someone is coming into your life. This person is very, very serious about your knight of pentacles. For some, this could be a brand new person. Aquarius. Then future, page of cups, king of wands and page of swords. Someone is coming with an apology and they're spying you a lot. Lot of spying is going. Maybe your person is spying on you on social media and they want to say apology to you. They want to text you, they want to call you. And you are taking your control back. You are in king of wands energy. You are taking your power back. You are on your control, Aquarius. But lot of spying is going. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Death and rebirth, ace of wands and the chariot. Right now they are also missing you and they want to come, but they are in slow moving energy. And the person involved in this connection could be Cancer. Lot of passion. Still your person is very, very attracted to you and they want rebirth. And the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio. So definitely there is one type of ending between you and your person, but your person want rebirth. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Eight of Swords, Chariot, and the Star, the Fool, the Moon, and Wheel of Fortune. Right now, your person feeling stuck, and they're waiting for right time. Yeah, they wanna come towards you, but they're waiting for right time. After that, also they're in slow moving energy. The Chariot is here, and a lot of you there are trust issues between you and your person. For some, one person is manifesting other person, and they wanna start with again the Fool. They want a brand new beginnings with you. They're still hoping on this connection. They're still thinking about you very, very positively. Right now, a person feeling stuck. They are stuck on you, Aquarius. So let's see their intentions. The Sun, Temperance, and Five of Swords. Yeah, patience is the key here. Your person want balance in this connection, and they want this happiness. Children's also involved in this connection, and they're thinking about you a lot. This time your person is very serious about you, Aquarius. They really wanna make action, and they really want to work on this relationship. Eight of Pentacles energy is here. Yeah, after once stuck energy is gone, definitely they will come forward and they will make a move. Definitely apology, they did hurt you in past. Definitely they wanna say apology to you, and they really want to work on this relationship. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Maybe one person in this connection could be pregnant, and the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. Yeah, a lot of issues going between you and your person. Five of Swords with Nine of Swords. They are missing you badly, and they're losing the nights over you. Nine of Swords energy with Four of Cups. Yeah, they're missing you. They're missing you so much. Maybe they backstabbed on you, cheated on you. Now they have regrets. Their patience is the key here. I think they always keep putting you in false hope. There is no equal give and take. In past, they treated you as an option. Definitely, you are confused. And you are also waiting for right time. Things will turn into your favor, Aquarius. I think right now your concentration on your career. You want to be independent. You don't want to depend on anyone, especially emotionally. Yes, because a lot of issues going. You a lot of trust issues. Let's see mutual. I think one person is missing the other person a lot, and another person working on their finances, and they want to be independent. I think, according to me, it's you, Aquarius. You are working on yourself, but they are suffering in silence. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. But here, divine timing is the key, and patience is the key. Thoughts are jumping. All I want is you. Reunion is coming. And I realized my mistake. Past life connection. All I want is you. Reunion is coming. I realized my mistake and past life connection. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Nothing is at set in stone. Definitely, because right now divine timing and patience is the key. For some it will take some time. Nothing is set in stone. and a fairy climax approaches full moon in Aries. For some, definitely a climax is approaching for your problems, especially if you are in relationship, if you are in separation, there is a climax is coming. So here take what resonates, because for some definitely it is not coming very soon, for some definitely climax is coming, because it depends, because everyone frequency, everyone vibration is different from others. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.